Last Saturday, I was at the mall. I was walking, and God reminded me of John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He sent His only begotten Son. We've heard that verse so many times, diba? Parang it's become too familiar. We don't really get to appreciate what it really means, or we don't even try to deep dive into what it really means. Pero parang ako, sa akin lang na, when I hear John 3:16, what's reminded of me is yung crucifixion ni Jesus and how much He sacrificed and suffered for us in the cross. Pero kahapon, nung Friday, Saturday, nung Saturday, God allowed me to see it in the perspective of a parent. Di ba tayong mga parents, parang magutom na tayo ng mga anak natin, mag-suffer na tayo, magkasakit na tayo ng mga anak natin. When we see our kids suffering, we'd always be like, Lord, ako na lang, rather than our children. Pero what God did when He sent Jesus for us, for Him to know the kind of pambababoy na gagawin sa kanya, how He is gonna be humiliated, how He is gonna be tortured. And alam mo yun, parang maghapon siya up until his death, that he would have to beg for water and then he would be given vinegar, diba? For him to know all of that. Kasi diba, we have a God who is omniscient. He knows the beginning and up until the end. So he knows that's gonna happen. Pero he gave his son for us, sinners. Like, the kind of heart he has for us. Like, I will never, ever allow something bad to happen to my children. If I have power over the situation, I will not allow anything bad to happen to my children. Pero for God to allow and even to volunteer His Son, His only begotten Son, for our salvation, tayo na mga sinners, parang really gave me a different level of appreciation of not only what Jesus has done for us, but what God has done for us.